We're working on my Lexus GX470 today. The process should be the same for 03 all the way to 2009, changing out the air filter. So to get started, you want to go over to the driver's side, pop the hood. Open up the latch. And your air filter is going to be right here. I change mine out annually. I'm gonna go to the workbench and go over some tools. Some tools you're gonna need is just a basic pry bar. You can use one of these metal ones or the plastic pry bars you can purchase at Harbor Freight. My air filter element, I decided to go with OEM. That is my part number right there. So now let's go over to the car. I'm gonna place the camera down and show you how to do it. So we have these plastic clips right here. We're just gonna pull them off. Come right off. This is the air box. Next, you're gonna pull these tabs down. There should be 2 in the front and I think 2 in the back. Pull this up. Here in the corner. There it is. Back over to the workbench. I just want to compare the two. This is my old one and this is my new one. Flip around. I think it's more noticeable when you flip it. Okay. Bring this back over to the car. When you put in your air filter, you want to make sure these little gills are facing downward and that it seats properly around this rubber seal on the air box. There's 2 clips in the back, 2 in the front. Okay. Now we put our cover back on. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all this down. That's how you change your air filter. Again, I change my element out annually. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave your comments below. Thank you very much.